Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about a Bose Soundlink Bluetooth speaker that is not turning on. I'll be going over the easiest fixes, so let's get right into the video. If your Bose Soundlink Bluetooth speaker, whether it's this one or any other version of the Bluetooth speakers that the Bose Soundlink line offers, is not turning on, this is the video for you. I'm going to be going over 5 of the easiest fixes. Stay tuned till the end because the last one is one of the things that people don't usually think about, but it might be the cause. It's rarely the cause, but if you've tried everything else, stay tuned till the end because it might just work for you. Number 1, is it charged? I know that this is silly. Don't click away from the video. I know it's silly, but a lot of people think that it's not turning on and it's charged up, but in reality, it's not charged, right? So basically, they think that it's charged up and it should be turning on, but for some reason, maybe they charged it, maybe their kid used it, maybe their wife, their husband, their neighbor used it, and they drained the batteries, and they're like, why isn't it turning on? Maybe it's not charged up. So think realistically, 100%, are you 100% sure that it's charged up enough to even turn on, okay? That brings me to number 2, charge it up. If it's not charged up, charge it up. And even if you think it's charged up, try and charge it up again. Let it charge for half an hour and then try and turn it on again. Oftentimes you think it's charged up and maybe you left it sitting for 6 months and you think that the battery should still have a charge, but it doesn't. So just charge it up for half an hour and see if that solves the problem. Number 3, try a different power source. So like I said, you might think it's charged up. You had it plugged in for a few hours. You think it's charged up to 100% or to a decent percentage at least. But in reality, you had plugged it into an outlet that didn't have power to it. That happens all the time, especially if you're charging this up at your job site, at work, on a job site if you're in construction, whatever the case is, or maybe just a circuit breaker tripped in your house and you don't know it. Try a different power source. Charge it up on a different power source for half an hour, then try and turn it on again. Believe it or not, sometimes that works. Even if the outlet that you're plugging it into right now is working, just try a different power source or even a different cord and charge it for half an hour and see if you get some juice out of it for it to turn on. Number 4, press and hold the power button for 10 seconds. Now, there's been some sort of hearsay as to whether or not this works. I don't know personally if it works or not, because I don't know that when it's powered off and there's no power going to it, like if you can't turn it on, if you press and hold the power button, I've heard on some forums that it drains the residual power from the unit, similar to how a computer, when a computer's unplugged, if you press and hold the power button down, it sort of it drains the power, like decapacitates the computer. You know, it's similar to that as far as I understand, but I can't say for sure if it works, but it's worth trying. If it's not powering on, press and hold the power button down for 10 seconds, 30 seconds, a minute, whatever the case is. Try and drain the residual power out and then try and plug it into charge again, and then hopefully you can charge it up and turn it on. Last but not least is number 5. If none of those have worked, try this out. Take out your phone that is usually connected to the device, okay? And see if the phone is connected. Press the power button once, see if your phone connects. Press the power button again, see if the phone connects. Try it a few times. And if you see that your phone is connected, then what might be the problem, and this is crazy, but it happens from time to time, I'm sure, is the lights are not functioning properly. So maybe the speaker is on, right? The speaker's powering on, but the lights are not working. So it can be that the lights have maybe, you know, they're not working anymore completely, or the software is malfunctioning, or the hardware is malfunctioning and is not allowing the lights to illuminate. So it can be the lights themselves, the software, or the hardware. But if your phone is connecting to the device after you press it once, you know, a couple times, just press it once, wait 10 seconds, see if your phone connects. Press it again, wait 10 seconds, see if your phone connects. Do it a few times. If that works, then my guess is that your lights are not working, but the speaker itself is powering on. That's something that people don't think about, but your boy over here, Mikey Chims, thinks about it, okay? If it worked for you, comment below because we all want to know what worked. This way we can share what worked and hopefully we can get to the root of this problem and everyone can fix their speakers. But that is truly it. Hopefully one of those 5 fixes, those 5 easiest fixes works for you. That is truly it. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. I'm out of breath, baby. I'm out of breath. We're going to take a breath and we're going to try that again. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.